Alright, we are going to extend the lick from the last video with a couple diminished chords and a C6 chord. Let's get started. The first chord is a F sharp diminished 7 chord. Now don't be scared, this is a simple chord once you know how it's built. It starts on an F sharp, or in this case a G flat, how my system calls it, and then you're going to count 3 keys up from that note. So that's 1, 2, 3. That note we will play. Then you count another 3 keys up. 1, 2, 3. Then you're on the C. And then another 3 keys. So therefore you get a chord that only has 3 keys between each note. Go ahead and practice this chord on multiple octaves. Now we're going to do the same thing on the F. We're going to play an F diminished 7 chord. So play an F and then count 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and therefore you get F, A flat, B, and D. And that's your next chord. Practice this chord over multiple octaves. Now try to practice these 2 chords after each other. Be creative. Play 1 chord twice, etc. This will make it so that your hands get used to these shapes. Okay, time for the last chord, and this chord is a C chord in the first inversion, so the C will be on top. It also has a 6 in it, so you can add an A to this chord. Practice all these 3 chords after each other. Let's get your fingers used to these shapes. The timing of it is 1 beat for the first chord, and the second chord is an 8th note, and the third chord is also an 8th note. 1, 2, and... Now let's look at the left hand. The left hand plays D, G, and C. These are actually the root notes of the chords that we're playing. The D is preceded by a C and a C sharp to quickly lead in, like this. The G is also preceded with just 1 note, which is the F sharp. These grace notes will make the whole thing sound super bluesy, which is what we want. Now that's something cool to practice. Good luck!